waterfall. Aren't you hot too, Daddy? I'm too hot to even read.
Oh, you should go swim in the river to cool yourself off, son. It'll feel good.
But there's not enough water in the river. Isn't there any other place to go swimming?
Well, there's supposed to be a secret waterfall nearby.
A secret waterfall? That's awesome! Where is it?
You know what? I never did figure out where it was, but you, Billy, my boy, I'm sure you'll be able to find it.
Especially with Jean-Claude and Susie. The three of us will find that waterfall lickety-split.
Oh, I have faith in you, son. Have fun swimming, Billy.
Thanks, Daddy.
A secret waterfall? Oh, wow! I want to see it too.
Awesome! Hop on!
Where is it though?
Well, I don't know. My dad doesn't know where it is either. But maybe Susie knows the way. Secret waterfall? No, I've never heard of it. But maybe we'll find it if we go upriver.
That would be too easy.
You know the secret waterfall, Grandma?
Of course! It's the Golden Waterfall, the prettiest place in the canyon. I went when I was young, when it was hot. The water is stunningly beautiful.
Whoa.
And this time of year, the water lilies are in bloom. They smell so good. My stars! You absolutely must go see it, children.
But where is it?
Oh, Cookie Crumbs. I can't remember.
Oh.
Hold on a couple of seconds. Where is that thing? Oh, here. Oh, here we go. I found my old map. There, take some towels to dry you off. I'm staying right here. It's too hot for an old granny to go out.
Thanks, Mrs. Haida. Okay. You understand this map, Susie? I think it's that way.
If you're having trouble finding the waterfall, then use your sixth sense.
Our sixth sense? What's that? Where is it?
It's in your head, Jean-Claude. It's like a little voice that tells you what to do and where to go.
Really? Well, I don't think my sixth sense has ever said a word to me. Are we there yet?
Oh, Jean-Claude, we just left.
Oh, when are we gonna get there? I'm really hot and thirsty.
Here, have a sip of water, Jean-Claude. Hey, this can't be right. We're back to where we started.
What? Oh, come on. Okay, from now on, we're gonna follow my sixth sense.
You sure about that, Jean-Claude?
Shh. That's it! It's there! I hear it! All right. So, my sixth sense tells me that it's that way. The waterfall! It's there! I hear it!
Jean-Claude, a waterfall usually makes more noise than that. Yeah, and it doesn't smell as bad.
You don't believe my sixth sense, is that it? Look at that! Ta-da!
Would you get out of here?
Tough Cookie?
Ugh, that's so gross. It smells like dirty socks.
That's a great sixth sense you've got there, Jean-Claude. All I found was a pair of stinky feet.
What? Are you making fun of me, you dogs?
Run!
Wait till I get my Just wait till I get my paws on you, you buffoons!
I guess Tough Cookie's never found any waterfall to bathe in. Oh, my aching head. Huh? Shh. You hear that? Now that sounds like a waterfall.
That must be it. Let's go! Oh, wow. It's so beautiful.
Whoa.
you I'd find you little pests. So, you think my feet stink, huh?
No, wait. It was a joke.
Say that one more time.
Huh?
Now take that! You're gonna pay for this!
Huh? Ah, yeah! Jean-Claude camouflage!
Now, where did that slimy maggot go?
Phew!
Come back here, you bunch of buffoons! Just wait till I get my paws on you!
Quick, Jean-Claude! Run!
I'm gonna get you, sausage!
Run, Billy, run!
Billy, in here!
Come back, you dorks! Go! Somebody help me! I don't know how to swim! Hey, it's not deep. Now it's my waterfall. Mine and mine alone! Bunch of buffoons. You're a bunch of buffoons.
Now that he's found the waterfall, you'll never want to leave it. Ugh, that's so disgusting. Now we can't go swimming anymore. Yeah, it's not fair. We have to find a way to get him out of here. Yeah, I'm sure the three of us will come up with a solution. Right, Jean-Claude? Jean-Claude? Hey, where did he go?
I'm right here!
Ah! He turned into a ghost.
Huh? A ghost? Ah! Does this mean I'm dead?
Wait, no, Jean-Claude. It's just some chalk.
Some what?
Some chalk from the rocks. There's a thin layer of white dust on them. See? Look.
Phew! Does that mean I'm not dead then?
Of course not, Noodlehead. We were pretty scared there, Jean-Claude. What if we do the same to Tough Cookie?
Yeah! Revenge!
Life sure is sweet.
Whoa. Tough Cookie!
Who's there?
We are the ghosts of the Golden Waterfall! We have protected this place for a very long time!
I'm not afraid. I know it's you dorks.
Who are you calling
Dorks! The ghosts!
Get out now, or else!
Woohoo! We did it!
We saved the waterfall!
This feels so good. It's awesome! And you can really smell the water lilies. Look out below! Cannonball!
And again. He had Tough Cookie. He was so scared. He took off like a bolt of lightning.
Yeah, I bet Tough Cookie beat the Wild West speed record for sure.
Anyways, good job there, kids. I never managed to find the secret golden waterfall.
And you were right, Grandma. It really is the prettiest place in the canyon.
Oh, yes. Of course I was right.
I'd really like to see it one day. I don't suppose you remember the way to get there.
Easy. Just have to follow my 6th sense.